Before you unpack a single thing on your cruise, there are 10 questions you should ask your cabin steward because these small asks can make a big difference. First things first, comfort. Ask for extra pillows or a mattress topper if you need one. Cruise beds vary, and good sleep is not optional on vacation. Ask for extra towels, especially if you have long hair or plan on multiple showers a day. Towels go fast, and this saves you daily requests. Ask how to get your ice bucket refilled. Some stewards do it automatically, others need a request. Warm drinks are not part of the cruise experience. Every ship is different. Ask how the cabin temperature works so you're not freezing or sweating your way through the night. Find out when your cabin will be serviced, morning, evening, or both. Setting expectations on day one makes everything smoother. Cruise cabins are cozy. Ask for extra hangers or storage tips. Your steward knows every hidden space in that room. Ask about laundry or pressing surfaces. Wrinkles happen, and nobody wants to look like they slept in their outfit at dinner. If you need anything special, extra trash pickup, quiet ice delivery, or medical disposal, your steward can help. Just ask. Yes, even adults enjoy towel animals. If you want them, say so. Joy is allowed on vacation. Finally, ask the best way to reach your steward during the cruise. Knowing the system saves time and frustration. Your cabin steward can make your cruise experience exceptional. A little kindness and communication on day one goes a long way. Sip smart, sail smooth, and enjoy every moment. If you learned something new today, tap like, leave a comment, and subscribe.